Oh my goodness. 2-minute warning.
Thank you.
So dark behind us.
Yes, I see it.
Well, yeah, the lights will go down, won't they?
Look dark.
Yeah, it's all dark over there.
Yeah. Turn your flash.
I had to check whether I was wearing my sunglasses or not.
Yeah.
Oh, getting short. Exactly.
Let's all blow together, shall we?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at all the blue there. Yes, oh, that's the shadow coming in.
We'll get it, we're going to get it. The shadow coming.
That is the shadow coming in. Where is the shadow? Over there, it's dark.
The dark.
It's really
Suddenly
dark,
got
isn't
this
it?
dark.
Going to get down and bring very
Clouds
short. Come on, look out. Twilight.
Yeah, amazing.
You see the twilight over there?
Yes.
Let's just look it up.
Are we now
Torreón.
in totality? This is totality.
Yes, this is amazing.
You have seen total eclipse in there. Oh, it's so weird, isn't it?
It does.
It just cleared up, just now.
Yeah, just now. Binoculars?
And look, the sky over there.
Godwin, use your binoculars, Godwin.
Get your binoculars.
Binoculars.
Oh, look, I can see the chromosphere. That's the right way. No, I don't think you can. It's gone now. That's the corona. Is anybody here?
Yeah, you can see Bailey's feet.
No, they're gone. They're gone.
I said there's new dots around the edge.
Yeah, well, those are where this.
There's some about 5 o'clock, Andy. Yes. Yeah, body count. Wow.
I've done in mine. Oh my God. Oh, there's some huge solar flares.
Come on, don't say no.
Oh, yes. That's a big prominence there.
Oh my goodness.
It does. Just like magic. It's got a few pounds there.
Wow.
And you can see the twilight over there.
Yeah.
Holy You wouldn't believe it's midday, would you? There's a really good
Prominent day with the sun directly overhead.
Oh yeah, fantastic prominence. That's really bright, that prominence on the right.
Oh, that one that you saw before.
Yeah, that thing on the 5 o'clock.
That's a big prominence.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah, that's a prominence.
Oh, what?
Prominence. I'll explain later. Hey, look at this, Raphael. 5 o'clock. It's called a prominence. Almost a red dot on the edge, like a red bead on the edge. Yeah, point at it. Yes, 5 to 5.
Have you looked with binoculars, Sue?
Quickly.
Got it?
Yeah. Yes, thank you.
It's a great picture.
Did you see it?
Yes, thank you.
And it's sort of pinkish, isn't it?
Yes. Look, it's coming out the other side now.
Yeah.
There, towards the end. They're getting towards the end now.
I can't see.
No, don't worry then.
Look, you can see it with the naked eye. Look, you can see it.
You can see it? Yeah, you can see it.
You
can see a slight pinkish.
I can
the
see
crown
it.
5 o'clock, yeah?
you might see now, it's a sort of pink ring.
I can see it.
As the sun is bright.
Yeah. Can you tell me when we can see the chromosphere?
Well, it's getting lighter. You see the sky there, it's quite bright now.
Yeah, I can see that.
How much more red there is? On the left side.
Did you want to look? Thank you.
Okay, I'm just taking a picture.
And look, it's dark over there and light over here. And you can see that as it lights up,
It's only collected about 1%
Sorry, Andrew, say it again as it lights up.
but look, it's really dark over there and it's brilliantly light over there. Because that, as soon as it goes up, it's rushing over in this direction. And that is
Light there.
well, we saw it. We saw it.
And I saw those
That's right.
This is what they call it. The prominence is at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
I definitely saw those. Wow. All went very quickly.
This is when we crack the heavy stuff. And look at the colours now. Look at the colours in the sky. That is just something. No planets, no shadow bands, no. Well, we can look out for strange shadows now. If it clears even more. But the cloud colour. This is when you need to. But this tiny amount of light.
We saw it. We saw it. Yeah.
But if you say in England for 2026, that is what you're going to see. Really annoyingly long path. Maybe slightly more something. That will be keeping you. So you'll get
We couldn't really tell.
but you can't.
I mean, it's got to be totality.
You've got a right moment.
Experience.
Suddenly went down.
99 is nowhere near it.
You didn't see the full corona because
So that's a good photo.
it was big cloudy. But you saw the inner bits, the prominences, all that.
And no, I haven't.
Fantastic. And
I can't
and
complain.
the sky colour because of the clouds. They're actually probably
I can't complain. I mean, I thought it would be completely obscured, but it wasn't.
No.
We saw everything.
That was so good.
It was a blessing.
Hey!
Hey!
Sorry.
Fantastic. I think it's
Luncheon, we should have got a bottle of something more serious. This is when you have a bottle of something more serious. Yeah, it is. I may take the odd partial picture, but not much. I need to turn these off now. So you can go off. I don't know what I've got, I've no idea, but at least I turn them both on.
You couldn't really tell with that amount of light, but just casually
No, I mean you can see it quite comfortably, naked eye or with sunglasses.
Yeah. I like to warm up now. Oh, warm up. Yes. Yeah, that was good. That cleared up just
Really good.
Do you think we saw it in Texas? Straight on cue.
This is like in France after the eclipse. Then we had clouds at this sort of. So you could look at it, you could see the partial phrase. You could actually get some quite nice pictures. But
I know it's cloudy again.
well,
You still see, but
right. Let's try and see what I've got. Oh, we're beginning to now. Actually, now is a good time to get some shadow
Andy,
pictures.
come and see this photo.